Hello guys, this is Zara from Sajjad Zara Makeup by Zara and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about unboxing and reviewing alongside with the older version of the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette remastered. So let's get started. We have a package and this package is here from the vault. And they have sent me this beautiful Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and let's unbox it together. This is how it looks from the inside, and side by side I'll show you the older version of this palette. This is how it used to look like before the palette was remastered, and this is how it used to look from the inside. You see the difference, guys? So this is the difference in the packaging, and let's open these two beautiful palettes up and check out what's the other difference other than the packaging. So we'll start with the comparison of these two palettes. The older palette had 8 shimmery shades and 10 matte shades, and this new palette has 9 shimmery shades and 9 matte shades. They have changed a few shades, more or less the shades are the same, which are changed as well. One major difference that I see in the shimmery shades are the formula of the shimmery shades is much more creamier and less textured, yet extremely pigmented. So for those of you especially who are deciding and who have the older version can get a better view of it. So now we're going to start with the swatch tests. So for the first color that I'm going to take from the new palette is 24K and swatch it for you guys. And now I'm going to take the 24K from the older version of the palette and swatch it right next to it. Can you see the difference? The next color that I'm going to take is Rose Gold, the new version first, older version. They have definitely improved the quality of the foil shades. As you can see, the pigment stays there, the fallout is much lesser than the previous version. This is Man Eater swatched from the new palette, and now I'm taking Man Eater from the older version of the palette. Bam! So as you guys can see now, this is the new version, the older, the new, the older, the new and the older version. The new formula is certainly much more improved. The foil shades are more creamier, more pigmented I would say, and the texture and the fallout has really decreased. Now we come to the part where I would tell you my final thoughts about both of these palettes. So both of these palettes have beautiful shimmery shades, and both of the shades, the shimmery and the matte, have extremely good pigment. As far as the older version is concerned, the older version is a little more textured and the formula is a little less creamier. But in the new version, obviously the formula has improved. Shimmery shades are much more creamier. The fallout is almost none. Matte shades, on the other hand, are more or less very similar in both the palettes. If you are a makeup geek like me, you would want both of them. But yes, if you want to know and if you want to save your bucks, and if you have the older palette, you would not want to go to the newer version till this older palette of yours is over. On the other hand, if you're a makeup geek like me, you would want to have both the palettes. This palette is available on stands at the vault. You can go and test it over there and be a good judge of it yourself as well. Next off, I'm gonna create a beautiful makeup look with this beautiful new palette. a much requested cut crease glittery eye makeup. Let's get started with that. For my eye makeup today, I would be using this Morphe's new eye brushes set number 702, which I ordered from the Vault, and 100% original, no quality complaints. First off, for my crease, I would be taking this Morphe fluffy brush and taking the color Demure and working all the way into my crease. Taking the color Cocoa and Man Eater together and intensifying the crease. Make sure when you're creating the crease, you go all the way towards the inner corner, blending it out towards the outer corner of the eye then. Taking the color Demure again. After this, I'm going to go in with the concealer. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer along with this concealer blending brush by Bobbi Brown. Cutting the crease now, really from where my inner corner starts. Now after we've cut the crease now, I'm gonna top it with the color Diamond Pink and mix it with Rose Gold. Now we are going to go in with the eyeliner, for which I would be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pot Jet Black Liner. After we're done with the liner, I'm going to swap a thin line joining from the wing onto the crease. And then taking the bullet smudger brush and softening this line a bit. We'll repeat this on the other eye as well. Now for the lower lash line, I would be going in with the color Cocoa. Connecting it with the transition color Henna. And for the inner corner, I would be cleaning my brush and taking the color Bubbly. Now we're almost done with the eyes, and for the brow bone, I would be taking a mix of the color Moon Dust and Bubbly on a wet brush and working it in. Blending it in. Last but not the least, taking Urban Decay's Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in Midnight Cowboy and joining it where the crease is cut with the black line that I've created to give a proper cut crease look. Make sure you don't overdo it and it comes on your eyelid. Now I will do the lashes off camera and then we're done with the eye makeup look. And with the completion of this makeup look, we are done with today's video, review and much requested cut crease glittery eye makeup look. So for all the steps that I have done off camera will be mentioned in the description down below. And with the completion of this look, we are done with today's video, review plus eye makeup tutorial of the latest Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette Remastered. For those of you who keep on asking me about the off-camera steps and the products I use off-camera, all the products that I've been using off-camera will be jotted down in the description box down below. So follow up with that. For all my followers, The Vault has offered an amazing discount deal on this new Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. All my followers would be getting a discount of ₹500 using the code SajadZara500. Do use this code and save some bucks. So let me know how did you guys find this look in the comments down below. You can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook and YouTube by the name of Sajad Zara Makeup by Zara. Subscribe my channel, like my channel, hit the bell button for all the latest coming updates. Till then, take care. Ciao ciao.